Hi guys, what's up? Happy New Week to you all. It is the start of a new day and also a new week. So let's see what the charts are doing. Let's see what the charts have in store for us. Hope you had a great weekend, guys. As for me, I did have a great weekend. And for those who are joining me for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Nice to have you. Please show some love by subscribing to the channel. Okay? Please subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you get notified whenever I go live. Okay. That being said, please also share the live stream. Share it with a friend. Share the live stream with a friend, guys. Let's make it go viral. Let's help someone today. Happy New Week to you all. Happy New Week to you all. If you're not subscribed, start by subscribing. Okay. That being said, I think it's time for us to hit it hard. Okay, this week, I already have some pairs marked out. If you watched my live stream yesterday, then I believe you are already prepared for what's coming up this week. I believe you're already prepared for what's coming up this week. So this is GBP USD. Let me go to a clean chart. So looking at GBP USD, you realize that this is the golden zone we marked out some weeks ago, hoping that price should come into it. And finally, what has happened? Price has pulled into our golden zone. Now, this is the 4 hours time frame. Let's move down to the 1 hour. Now that we already did our top-down analysis, we are waiting. Or now we are just looking for entry opportunities. So personally, I already got into this trade, but there's a possibility for price to give us something like this. Before dropping. So you need to be very, very vigilant and watchful to make sure you don't miss any opportunity. So this is what we are seeing on GBP USD. Okay. So we should be expecting something like this for us to sell. You can choose to maintain these highs, or you wait for a confirmation. Yeah, you can choose to maintain these highs, which I recommend, or you wait for confirmation within. Then you sell. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at on GBP USD. So guys, tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Where are you joining my live stream from? Where exactly are you joining my live stream from? Okay, this is another pair we are looking at. This is AUDJPY. For this week, we are hoping that price gives us a sell opportunity. So sorry, guys. My network tripped. My network tripped, and yeah, it is what it is. So this is AUDJPY. And on AUDJPY, what am I looking at? I'm expecting to have a pullback to somewhere around our key level, 113.00. So once we have a good pullback, like you see here, we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. Okay. So looking at what price has been doing, you see, we have been creating a clear internal downtrend. For NZD, USD, this is exactly what we're looking at. So if price decides to pull back and give us an entry, then we'll be catching it. will happily catch it, a buy entry. Then for GJ, let me show you GBP JP1. This is what it looks like. It's like price already pulled back. Yeah, price pulled back to our entry and triggered us. But like I told you, I just have this on my watch list, this GBP JPY on my watch list for experimental purposes, because I'm not going to trade this pair this week. Yeah. I'm not comfortable with this golden zone. Why? Because there's a better golden zone down here. Price might decide to break the one up here and fill the one down here. So it doesn't make sense for me to be trying to catch it up here. Welcome to all those joining us now. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, and also tell me in the comment section, where are you joining us from? Where are you streaming from? So this is what we see on GBP JPY. So on NZD, JPY, it is exactly what we are looking at. I'm waiting for price to pull back into this zone for us to have a buy. Yeah. So yesterday we did all the analysis. I believe you were there. If not, then the live stream is still saved on the channel. You can actually check it out. Good. This is GBP AUD. And this is exactly what we are waiting for on GBP AUD. We are waiting to see GBP AUD give us a pullback into this area for us to be able to buy. That's why we cannot be selling. We need to wait for a confirmation unless we see a change of character on maybe 4 hours or 1 hour that will confirm our sales. So price has started giving us some things here, telling us a story, because we can see something like equal highs here, this and this, equal highs. But if this is not taken out, we still have equal highs. So it's still bullish. Let's just be patient with GBP AUD to see exactly what it has in store for us. So this is how it looks like. On AUDCHF, this is what I'm looking at. So I made a clear explanation yesterday about why I'm looking forward to sell here. We have this consolidation and price has broken to the downside, so we're expecting price to pull back in, give us a sell confirmation if possible. And this is AUD USD. Like I told you guys, we have a buy that we took from here, and we are still holding the buy. We are holding it all along because we believe buyers are still dominating in the market. There's a possibility for us to rise, though we are still in our golden zone. But let's see what will happen within our golden zone. So let's look at what the 4 hours has. So price plays and decides to take out these lows and start creating lower highs, we'll close it manually. Why? Because overall, market structure is showing bearish, or internally, not overall. Market structure is showing bearish. You see, we're getting lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price might tap and want to continue dropping. So if we see price take out this low, it becomes dangerous. Yes, it becomes dangerous. But as of now, we still strongly believe in our bias that we are gonna create some new highs because we just started creating higher highs, higher low, higher high. And see, something like that. Swept this low, but later on when created the higher high. So we just gotta be patient. BTC. So this is the trade I'm talking about. So we are currently in the market on AUD JPY, on AUD USD. So these are the pairs, guys. This is what we are looking at. This is what we are looking at. So if you're watching this video after, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, and also tell me in the comment section, what is your biggest trading challenge? What would you want us to handle on our next video? Because I have a video dropping one of these days on confluences. And if you have not gone through the previous videos in the channel, know that you're missing a lot. You are missing a lot. So, which other pair would you want me to analyze? Because these are the pairs I have on my watch list for this week. But maybe you have a pair that you think I should analyze for you. Just let me know so I can do it. Okay. So now that we've already seen what the market has for us this week, I want us to take a lesson. Let us do some lessons. So I made a video last week about entries. But the first thing you need to understand before you start market structure, okay? Normally at times, you will see clean market structure like this, where price is creating higher highs and higher lows. Very clean. Fidel Zone FX, good morning and welcome to the channel. Nice to have you. I will check out NASDAQ later. So at times you see clean market structure like this, clean price action, where price is creating higher highs and higher lows with no complications. Okay. And what you have to understand about market structure is the fact that you won't see this all the time. So you need to learn how to accept what the market presents to you. Okay. There are times you see something like this,